Let's find a good spot and take pictures.
You guys. The video. So, just say something. Don't pose. It's a video.
Oh, I thought we were taking a picture.
No, it's a video.
Take two.
Okay.
Yay, this is there.
Oh, and then there's the highway.